Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is one of the leading interior design companies in Mumbai. With a team of highly skilled and experienced designers, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has gained a reputation for delivering exceptional interior design solutions to clients across various sectors. The company takes pride in its ability to create spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and practical. As interior designers in Mumbai, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the unique challenges that come with designing spaces in a bustling city like Mumbai. The team is well versed in incorporating the cultural, social, and architectural elements of the city into their designs, creating spaces that reflect the spirit of Mumbai while meeting the specific needs of the clients. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers a wide range of interior design services, including residential, commercial, and hospitality design. Whether it's a luxury apartment, a corporate office, or a boutique hotel, the company has the expertise to transform any space into a visually stunning and functional environment. The team works closely with clients to understand their vision and requirements, and then creates customized design solutions that exceed their expectations. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other interior design firms in Mumbai is their commitment to delivering high-quality designs within budget and on time. The company understands the importance of adhering to timelines and ensures that every project is completed within the agreed-upon timeframe. If you are looking for interior designers in Mumbai who can turn your vision into reality, look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. With their expertise, creativity, and dedication to customer satisfaction, they are the go-to choice for all your interior design needs in Mumbai. Contact them today to discuss your project and experience their exceptional services firsthand. If you are searching for experienced and skilled interior designers in Mumbai, look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. With a strong reputation for delivering exceptional design solutions, Scon Design India has established itself as one of the leading interior design firms in the city. Whether you are looking to revamp your home, office, or commercial space, their team of talented designers can create innovative and functional designs tailored to your specific needs and preferences. As one of the top interior designers in Mumbai, Scon Design India is known for their attention to detail and commitment to excellence. They understand that every client is unique, and they strive to create spaces that reflect individual personalities and lifestyles. With a focus on combining aesthetics with functionality, their designs enhance the overall experience of living or working in a space. From selecting the right color palettes to choosing furniture and accessories, their team ensures that every element harmoniously comes together to create